Hi everyone, we are Team SellNUS and we are building a second-hand sales app, NUS Sell, for NUS students. Now we will do a demo of the features in the app. Starting the app, we will enter the sign-in page. If the user does not have an account, he can navigate to the sign up page. This is achieved with file-based authentication service. After signing up and verifying the email address, the user can select his interest or skip this step. The user will then be directed to the home screen. The home page display has different filters, including time posted, categories, locations, prices, and seller score. We can also clear the filters and view all the posts. The display of posts is achieved with file-based storage and Cloudflare store. We have included more details about the technical proof in our README. The posts are displayed using a scrolling down to look more model. At first, 6 posts are displayed, and when the user scrolls down, 6 more posts will be loaded from Cloudflare store. Each time, the 6 posts will be sorted based on the user's personal preference. The user can also search for specific items in the search bar. On typing, the search function will be initiated to filter the results. On pressing enter, the text in the text field will be saved as a search history. On tapping on one search history field, the user will be directed to the search result page with the history pressed. For the posts displayed in the home screen and search results, users can click on the post to view more information about the post. On the View Post screen, the user can contact the seller to enter the chat page. The chat function is implemented with Cloudflare Store. The user can chat real-time with the seller and send images. The other user will receive notification for new chat messages. Back to the View Post screen, the user can follow or unfollow the other user and can also view the seller's profile to see more posts from the user and reviews for the user. The time spent on each product post will be recorded and analyzed. The user's personal preference will then be updated accordingly. If the user is interested in the product, he can also like it and view all the products he liked. After contacting the seller, if the user has reached a deal with the seller, the user can make an offer on the View Post page. The offer can now be seen in the Offers Made page in Profile. The seller will receive a notification of this offer. If the seller chooses to accept this offer, the user will receive a notification of acceptance of the offer, and the status will now change from pending to accepted. The product status will also be marked as sold.
After the seller and buyer have received the payment and product respectively, the transaction will be marked as completed and shown in the transaction history. The user can write a review about the seller and the transaction. The user can create a new post by clicking the plus button. After filling in the post form, the user can view the post in the Product Posts option in his profile. My Posts page contains all the posts the user has posted, sorted with different status: selling, deleted, and sold. For the selling products, viewing one's own post page provides the option of updating the information about the product and deleting the post. For deleted posts, the user can choose to resume to continue showing the post to all users. For sold products, if the transaction is not complete, the user can choose to activate the post and its status will be marked as selling again. However, if the transaction for the product is already done, that is, the seller has received the payment and the user has received the product, the seller will not be able to activate the post again. Back to the profile page, the user can view the users he is following or his followers. The profile page also provides My Reviews option, which displays the average rating of the user and all reviews from buyers that bought the user's products. The Settings button on the top right corner will direct the user to the Settings page. The user can change profile photo, edit profile, reset the password, log out and delete account. For logging out and deleting account, as well as deleting one's own post. A pop-up window will be shown to alert the user. Besides posting a product for sale, a user can also post in a forum to request for an item. By clicking on the camera button on the top right corner of the forum page, the user can make a new forum post. Other users can reply to the post by writing comments. Clicking on the profile photo of the user who posts or the username of the commenters will direct the user to view the other user's profile and private message them on the chat button on the profile page. These are features we have written so far for NUS Sell. Thank you for your time watching this video.